Hello, this is Erin Fisher, Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools, and this is an overview of how to turn a newsletter, maybe that you've made in slides, over into docs. And I always try to push docs as the newsletter communication tool because it is so accessible, so easily translated, and it's just a bit more accessible than slides. Slides is still very accessible, but it's not as easily translated. So this is the newsletter, beautiful layout. We have just different colors in here for the header, some text boxes in here, some clip art. So not too difficult to turn this into a doc. Really, all I did was, first thing, I changed the margins because this is going to be electronic, so I don't have to worry about printing. So you'll notice I turned my margins in my file page setup menu to 0, 0, 0. I actually could change the bottom to 0 as well. I left it at 0.1. I turned the page color into this blue and put that to the whole document. Then you'll notice the screen here. This is actually just a table. I inserted one table cell. So this is just one cell of a table. That's it, just a 1 by 1. And I stretched it to the end. And when I went into that table, I did table properties. I right-clicked the table cell. I did table properties. I turned the border of that table. I actually turned it this color green. And it's 1, and then the cell background color is that nice green. And then I just simply copy and pasted this text in there. Then I wanted this picture, but I wanted this picture wherever I wanted to put it. When you insert a picture on docs, it alters your text and it's large. So I just took it and shrunk it. I'll show you how I did that. I took this picture here and I just copied it, right-click copy or Control-C. Went over to my doc. Notice when I paste it in, it alters everything. I don't want that. So I'm going to click the image. I'm going to put it in front of the text. I'm going to set it to a fixed position. And now I can move it anywhere I want and it's not going to alter anything on my page. So I'm going to put it right there, just like that teacher had it. Next, this is actually another cell. So I said it was a 1 by 1, but it actually, oh no, this is the page background again. And then this is actually another 1 by 1 cell. So if I go into that tables property, you'll see I made that white, and I actually need to go make the border of this one white and not green up above. So this one cell is a 1 by 1, and then I inserted another 1 by 1 inside the existing cell. If I go into table properties there of that cell that I inserted, I made that border blue at 4.5 and the background color white. And then I just pasted in the text. And what's nice about this, and those are my images again, see, fixed position. I just got those from Insert Images. I inserted another cell here, and that's how I made that. Again, this makes it much more accessible for those that are non-English speaking, our ELL learners, and also accessible in terms of needing screen readers, dyslexic fonts, as opposed to slides, which is also accessible, but not quite as accessible as docs. Thanks.